There's a hail. Gosh. Look, like it's like what's that? Mini circle ice that comes like rain. Oh my god. Yeah. That's scary. If you're outside, it will be painful when it hit into your head. Is it ice, Uncle?
Yeah.
Ice in summer? Gosh.
You at home? See, look out there. Raining out there yet? We got hail here the size of marbles. Look at the hail out there, Steve. See it?
Oh my god.
Yeah. She's coming down here like a downpour like you wouldn't believe. So. Just pre-warned because she's coming your way. Yeah.
Oh my god. Come on, down. Oh! No!
Can you hear it?
Like it's like a stone coming from the sky.
No, we just went through a
It's like a stone, Tita. Misty, are you scared? Misty. Oh. Gosh. Gosh, that's scary. And you're outside. Oh, there's one hail here. Look. It's ice. Hard as many stones. Like. Jeez. It's hail. Hail.